Hello, everyone. This is Dee Rondinella, Coordinator of Technology Training for the Stark County District Library. Today's sneak peek into technology is the database Mango Languages. Mango Languages is a free, self-paced tutorial for you to learn a foreign language. Let's go ahead and get started. I am on the library's website, starklibrary.org. I am going to actually circle the center of the screen so you can see where I'm at, because there's an option there that's called Databases A to Z. When I click on it, it's going to take me to the alphabetical listing of all the databases the library has to offer. In the database spotlight, you're going to notice right there it is, Mango Languages. If it's not here, it will be in alphabetical order listing down below. I'm going to click on Mango Languages, and it's taking me to a login page. If you have not yet built a profile, you can do that with the sign up button. You know you're in the right place because you're at the Stark County District Library page. Your login information will be your email or username that you set up and a password. I have mine checked on Keep Me Logged In so that when I open it up, it will be there and waiting for me. If I ever forget my password, though, there's a forgot password option that will let me reset it. I'm going to go ahead and click on Log In to get started. I have been working on Spanish, so that's where it takes me to. So you will be taken to the last place that you left off while you were learning. I'm going to go to the opening part so that you can see what that looks like. I'm going to click on the back arrow up here at the top left-hand corner, and it takes me to the listing of options that are available. We have our popular language, our all languages option, and inside of there, you're going to go and see many different types. You can also use the keyword search. I'm going to go ahead and click on German. See, typed it in, and there it popped up, and I can select it, or I could have selected it from the list. When I click on it, it's going to ask me here in the preview page, what do I want to do? I want to start learning. Click on Start Learning, and it takes me to this opening preview page. I can start right away if I wanted to by clicking the Start Learning button. But let's take a peek at the options. We have a listing here of the different items that you will be learning. And you also have a specialty unit talking about Oktoberfest in this case. Over in this side, you're going to see the different chapters that are available. This is chapter 1. Notice it has 4 chapters, and it has different types of chapters. That's an introduction. Connections, that's another 10 chapters. And if we keep on going down, you're going to see all the things that are listed and available for you. Don't let the large number of chapters worry you. Each of the different sections, the lessons, are 1 minute to 2 minutes long. And it is self-paced, so you can start and stop whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and give you a sneak peek and click on 1. Now it's going to start talking at me right away. I'm going to let it roll for a second, and then I will pull it back so that you can learn some more about Mango. You will need a microphone. If you already have a microphone built into your computer, you'll be okay. I'm going to click on it, and we're going to start. And there it is. It's asking us or telling us what it is we're going to be working on and our objectives. We are in Unit 1, Chapter 1, Lesson 1 of 26. So let's go ahead. Click on that Start button.
It seems hard now. You'll learn to have conversations like this easily by the end of the chapter.
Guten Morgen. Das Frühstück hier ist lecker, oder?
Ja, es ist wirklich lecker. Gehen Sie heute ins Museum?
Nein, ich gehe zum Markt.
Gute Idee. Das Wetter ist schön heute.
Deutschland ist schön im Mai.
Na dann, viel Spaß.
Danke. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
I'm going to interrupt for a moment. Notice there's a microphone and a speaker and a redo button. Now, if I click the mic microphone, it's going to allow me to say the words, and then it will allow me to listen to them if I need a little help. I'm going to go ahead and I'll go give it a try. Guten Morgen, I think. Guten Morgen. How well did I do? Let's see. I'm going to stretch this out to where it belongs. And there it is. Click and drag your voice to line it up with the narrator speaker. And there I go. I did pretty good. See, I clicked the side button and I was able to see how well I did. I'm going to click the back button so that I can go back to where I was, or I can click the next button and move forward. I went ahead and clicked the X to stop the lesson at any time. But notice, it tells me that here on the 1 that I can continue playing or I can jump to another lesson. All right, now that you've finished your first lesson, I'm going to come over here to the top right-hand corner and I'm going to log out. When you log out, it's going to take you back to your login profile area. You see right there? You can keep logged in if you'd like, or you can uncheck that and type everything in when you log in again. I want to thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, please contact me at trainer@starklibrary.org, and have a great day.